Hello folks, we're here to review the LG portable air conditioner, 11,000 BTU. So that sort of means, since it's a portable air conditioner, that it's 8,000 BTUs as compared to a window or in the wall unit, just because air has to be sucked in from this unit inside, so it actually sucks in air from the outside walls, bringing heat in. So it has an adjusted ratio from 11,000 BTUs to 8,000 BTUs. This is bought from Home Depot at around $458 plus tax listing price, and I'll have a little screenshot of that here. Now we're going to go through the modes. I originally had a frigid air 12,000 BTU in the wall air conditioner. That was a little loud and a little bit inconvenient just because it was in the other room. So now we're going to power it on. Here's the remote you get. It's pretty nice. Simple. Let's see how this bad boy works. I had to set the piping here around the back, as you can see. And I just attached the plastic bag to this and put it through a hole into the window. As you can see, it comes out there. Now, this mode, it also has dials on here. We're in cooling mode, low fan. Funny enough, online, it says there's only 2 fan speeds. There are 3 fan speeds. This is just a fan going on. There's no air conditioning going on right now. Once you see that black bag go up, it will start to heat up a bit. Let's see it get colder. Turn the temperature down. You gotta point it at that white silver thing right there. You'll hear the compressor go on soon. Overall, I'm very happy with this air conditioner. It's not that loud. They're all gonna have a compressor. Here's the compressor. You can see the compressor's on. There's the air bag's filled up now. That's just a plastic bag there. You don't have to worry about anything. So that's the compressor on. It's blowing pretty cold air here. So if I press swing, it actually moves the vents up and down, oscillating the air. If you press light and hold down light for 5 seconds, it activates sleep mode. If you hold this down and you press it, you change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, showing you the temperature. If you hold it. Now let's go cycle through high fan speed. It is high fan speed, oscillating, and not cool. Cool right there. Yeah, it's awesome. You can see the air power, the air test. See, it's lying, there's a lot of paper here. Lying flat, and then put it in front. It's blowing. Blowing quite a bit. Pretty strong, not that loud. I'm giving it, for price, loudness, installation, let's give it a 4.2 out of 5. Alright guys, thanks for watching.